ಹಾಯ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ರಿ ಗುರುಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಸೋಷಲ್ ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ರಿ ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿದ ಹಾಗೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಪಿಸೋಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸೋಷಲ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ಆದ ಚೈತ್ರ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಗೈಡೆನ್ಸನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ನಿಮಗೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ಎಪಿಸೋಡ್ ಸೋಷಲ್ ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ರಿ ಎಪಿಸೋಡ್ 2 ಆಗಿದೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಎಪಿಸೋಡ್ನಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವರು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೈಡೆನ್ಸನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Hi everyone, I'm going to help the children who are attending for a supplementary examination. So getting 28 marks is not a big task. Easily you can score it, but little guidance and a little effort from your side is also needed, children. Usually I guide the children to concentrate more on the 3 and 4 marks question, because in 3 and 4 marks questions, if you write for 3 marks, you have to write 6 points, and for 4 marks question, you have to write 8 points. At least if you write for 3 marks, 3 points or 4 points, you will get 2 marks. So that scoring or getting marks, it will be very easy. I have come up with some sources where you can easily remember the long answers. Okay, and here are the 3 and 4 marks question. So here how you can remember the answer, that I am going to guide you out. Okay, but this cannot be applicable for all questions, children. Only for some questions we can adopt some tricks. Now Subhash Chandra Bose. So from the Gandhian era chapter, they'll ask Subhash Chandra Bose for 4 marks. That everybody knows it. Okay. Or let them ask for 3 marks also. Everybody know ABCD, isn't it? So there are the points from A to J. Okay, children. But A, you write it in the end. Clear? From B you started. Bled. B. So you have to write the slogan of a Subhash Chandra Bose. Give me blood, I will give you freedom. Second one. Okay, he rejected civil service post. Okay, so civil service. C. D. Delhi Chalo. What he had done? Bose called for Delhi Chalo. E. Escaped from house arrest. F. Forward block. G. Gone to Germany to seek help against British. H. Remember Hitler. Sought help from Hitler. I. He organized Indian National Army. J. Japan. Japan means you should remember, seek the help of Japan. Okay. K. Known as Netaji. Now A, write it at the end. That is airplane crash, died. The died, that point itself, if you write in the beginning, it won't be nice, children. So A has come down. Then B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. So even you remember the ABCD, you should remember these underlined points, children. So this answer you can write and you easily you will get 4 marks. Okay, children, are you finding it easy and very interesting also, isn't it, children? For that sake, I say thanks to Biraj sir for this excellent work. Okay, now shall we move on to the Jawaharlal Nehru film. Wow, very nice, isn't it, children? Everybody like film, but here you have to expand this film as a film. That is, F should repeat 3 times. 3F, okay, 2I, L and triple M. Okay, think it like that. F, first Prime Minister. Another F, foreign policy. Another F, 5-year plan. I, integrated princely states. Another I, implemented irrigation. L, language-based reorganization of states. M, mixed economy. Another M, modern India. Another M, established many industries. So, remembering the answer is not difficult if you remember this short code words. Okay, if you remember this code word, you can write this answer and easily you can score 4 marks, children. Okay, shall we move on to the next now? That is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Here, I love Dr. B.R. am. A triple M. Okay. I. Established Indian Labour Party. Love. L. Okay. Served as first law minister. LOVE is not needed, children. Just L is enough here. And doctor, remember, as a drafting committee. He was the president of the drafting committee. Next, come to the B. So B, he established a Bahishkrita Bharata. Everybody knows that, isn't it? So next, another one, R, provides reservation for the exploits. A, awarded Bharata Ratna. M, modern Manu. Another M, Mahad and Kalaram movement. And another M, Mookanayaka. So just when you remember these words, you can add one word to make that sentence completed. Isn't it, children? So I feel everybody is finding easy to remember these answers. Okay, first, but don't forget the code words. If you forget the code word, whole answer is gone, children. Okay, so remembering the long 2, 2, 3 line answer, instead of that, you can remember a single words, isn't it? So next, shall we move on to the non-cooperation movement? Here also, Gandhiji gave a call in 1920. Many Indians supported his. Lawyers sacrificed, boycotting schools, boycotting election, started national school, boycotting all foreign goods. So encouraged what? Swadeshi goods. Violence of Chauri Chaura. Gandhiji withdrew the movement. So easily when you remember these short words, okay, you can complete the answer. Quit India movement. Gandhiji called in 1942. That is, here also if they ask for 1 mark, you can write it. He declared British, you quit India. What was the call of Gandhiji? Do or die. British arrested national leaders. Okay, paved way to the emergency of other leaders. Jaiprakash Narayan took leadership. Native rulers worked for British. Muslim League did not support. British suppressed the movement. That's all. Just one word with small sentences. With small sentences, you can easily remember. And everybody think, children, these are the sources what I am showing here, keeping in mind of the supplementary students, not the children who are scoring 100 out of 100. So they have to write the lengthy answers and full complete sentence formation is needed. But now I am keeping in the mind that the supplementary students or the children who are taking a re-examination or the children who have failed, they may find it difficult to remember the long answers. For them to help out, I am doing this. Okay, don't follow everybody else. Okay, so next is the agitation of farmers and workers. Played important role in freedom movement. They influenced from Congress and Marxist, opposed growing indigo in Champaranya. Okay, and they were revolted against British. Gandhiji was influenced in the Champaranya and Kheda movement. So this problem what has happened? Gave the role or mood to the freedom movement. Like that you can remember that. And very important questions are about the moderates and radicals. So for this also you can remember moderates itself. That is a keyword. Okay, M, cutting down the military expenditure. Second, organized public meetings. D, development of Indian industries. E, providing good education. R, faith in the rule of English. A, appeal through prayers and request. T, try to bring awareness in people. Yes, submitted memorandums to governments. So, last is the programs for education, poverty, elevation was done through this. So, this is the role of a moderates. And children, whatever the question, let them ask. At least if you have studied this answer, you can write it. So, one or the other point will be related to your answer. Okay, next come to the role of radicals or extremists. Here, active in the second phase. Here, if you forget, also fine. They are called as a moderates. They called moderates as political beggars. Lal Bal Pal, remember this word. So the names of the people you can write it. They demanded full freedom, tried to organize common people. Okay, Bal Gangadhar Tilak or the radicals called for Swaraj, opposed foreign goods, that we have already learnt in the Quit India movement, isn't it? So encouraged common people to protest against the British, opposed division of Bengal. Okay, so the another one important question from this chapter is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Remember Swaraj. Okay, first the slogan of the Bal Gangadhar Tilak itself, you write it, children. Swaraj is my birthright and I will get it. W. What he has wrote? Geeta Rahasya. And he got arrested, isn't it? Arrested from British. And he is one of the important radical, isn't it? So shall we move on to the next? A. Through articles called people to fight for freedom. J. Joined people through Shivaji Jayanti and Ganesha Durga Utsav. That everybody will remember it, this point, isn't it? Next these points, additionally you can add up to that, or here also Swaraj is finished, no? Just OSP or OPS. Like that you can remember, children. Okay, opposed partition of Bengal, started Kesari and Maratha newspaper, prepared common people for freedom fight. Like that, if you remember, you can write that answer. Next, shall we move on to the role of revolutionaries? Okay. Role of revolutionaries, they believed that they drive away British by violent method. Everybody knows moderate, extremists and the revolutionary. When they come to the revolutionaries, their mind has been changed. They want one or the other way, they want a freedom. So they used a different method. What they used? Bombs and guns. Okay, and the examples here, if you write at least 2 person names also fine. And what they did? Secret associations, established secret associations. They provide training. Okay, which are the secret organization? Lotus, Dagger, Abhinav Bharat, something, any 1 or 2 if you remember also, you can write it. Lastly, what has happened? British arrested them and hanged. Okay, so another one important question from this chapter is reason for withdrawal of Bengal division. In 1905, opposed by Indian National Congress, Bengali language united Hindu, Muslim. How they united? Through the Raksha Bandhan and cultural festival. Because of this, what has happened? Widespread protest took place. So radicals take this issue to the doorstep of a common people. For that sake, what they did? Swadeshi movement was started. Encouraged Indians to use domestic goods. People boycotted foreign goods and encouraged the Indian goods. So here totally you are having 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 questions are there, children. From this, at least 2 or 3 questions really you will get it. But I am not sure. Please understand it. Sometimes you may not get, but at least 1 question really you will get for 4 marks, children. Easily you can score 4 marks from these questions if you have learnt it. 4 to 5 marks usually you can score. Okay, thank you.
ಸೊ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಚೈತ್ರ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಗೈಡೆನ್ಸ್ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ರಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸನ್ನು ಪಡಿಬಹುದು. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ರಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಹಾಗೂ ಇದುವರೆಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆದ ನಂತರ ಬೆಲ್ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಷನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ಖಂಡಿತ ಮರಿಬೇಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.